Good morning, all. It is Monday and it is about 10:20 now. I woke up at around 6 a.m. and I saw like the sky transition from like that navy blue to that warm orange. And at that time, I transferred my files over from my phone over to my iPad for the vlog. I also finished reading Winning the Teacher's Heart. It was good. It's like a book that I would read, if I'm like just chilling like on the beach, having a picnic or on the lawn or something like that. But it's not a book where I'm like super invested in, where there's a lot going on, it's overthinking. It's definitely more on the like there's family stuff and drama and compassion in here, but it's not as heavily invested as I would be in like other books. I'm excited to have this passed along. Yeah, this morning I already transferred my files over, which took a little over an hour. I did take a nap after I finished reading the book, and I woke up around 9:30 or so, and I was just on my phone. I meditated, and then I also sent an email to follow up about the interview to see if there was any interest in meeting today. And then if not, I did provide availability for throughout this whole week. I also did see a position open up for the company I was just previously at, and it's a remote job. I will be applying for that later and seeing where that goes. Over the weekend, I also finished up Insecure, and I guess I can kind of see why people are Team Lawrence. I don't know, it's such an interesting thing how things unfolded for Issa and Lawrence. I guess for this morning half, I want to work on a little bit of my personal content. I have a food video that I want to upload sometime this week, and then I want to get really head on into Salesforce and really get it by, I want to say, the next week or two to schedule my test. Oh, that's so exciting. Anywho, enough talking. Happy Monday. Hope you're gonna have a good week. Hello all, I have my lunchy brunch. It is a fish sandwich that we picked up yesterday. I also made myself some green tea with some of the Yuja honey. I am going to, after I eat, edit, and after I finish editing out here, I'll go to my desk and do more Salesforce stuff. Not 100, but 80% is pretty good to me. So I'm going to create the study guide for this. I won't annotate it today just because it's a little over 3 now, and I want to get to going through Salesforce online, like the different modules. Hey y'all, so it is just about 6 o'clock now. So I did hear back from the interview I had last Monday, and they scheduled me for a Teams call this Thursday. Now that I'm learning more of the material through the practice questions, a lot of the things in the modules actually make more sense to me, and I feel pretty good with my scores that I've been receiving. It's definitely in the you know, 60 to 80 ranges, which I like because when I was first taking it, it was not good. Anywho's, I'm gonna chill now because I had a pretty good Monday. Hello all, it is 7:40 and I have my dinner, and it's dambal and it's like chicken biryani. So it has these colorful rice. They have like saffron, turmeric, regular rice. It has cashew in there, and then the chicken is cooked in a curry stew, so it's very juicy and tender. And then I also have some sour leaf soup. Ooh, okay, there we go. Good day all, it is Tuesday and it's my full vlog editing day. I'm not like super hungry just yet because it's 11 a.m. but I did make myself some iced tea. Today I'm excited because I have my first counseling session. I've never been to one before and I've never been through one through like a university, so I don't know what it's going to entail. What I did see is that it's a single session, so I don't know if after this I can like continue, but I'm hoping that will be a good session to talk some things out in my life. Oh no, here comes Tigger, come here. Come here. You guys can see him. It's right here. But yeah, I think today is gonna be a good day. So it is about 2:20 now, and I just had my, I call it a short term session or like a intro session with NYU. Basically, I met with a counselor to figure out if I need like immediate help in any way or if I need short-term counseling, which is I think 10 sessions, but it was a really nice first step for me. I was provided the short-term counseling. I just wanted to check in and tell you guys a little mental health update. So it's 5:15 now, and I have a few parts of this video where I feel like I talk too much, so I want to go through it one more time and finalize it and then export it. I didn't get to applying for the job with my old company just yet because I've just been doing this the whole day, and I didn't do anything Salesforce or anything like that today as well. I did get a call for my continued sessions of counseling, so I have another one this Friday that I'm excited for. We are going out now. Me and my mom have plans with my sister. We're gonna go to a Korean lunch buffet. This is my fit. I have a tank inside, and then I have this to cover up a little bit because I know the train can get a little cold. and then some shorts. I will be filming everything that we eat there and stuff, so you all will see it, and it will be on TikTok and Instagram. I don't know when I'll have it up, but I guess when I do have it up, I will link it so that you all can watch it. Hello all, it is 3 o'clock now, and I haven't been applying to a lot of jobs this week. I think it's because I feel like I kind of applied to so many, but I'm also like not trying to apply to so many roles because I have a good feeling about the one I interviewed for. And I mean, it's not like I'm not gonna try to shoot my shot in other areas, but I also don't want to waste so much time applying for jobs when I can, get the ball rolling for Salesforce. I'm gonna do my Salesforce stuff now and then catch up with you all later. Not bad. 77. That means I got 7 wrongs. I would like to be scoring like 80 and higher for the most part at this point, but I'm not disappointed with this either. Hello all, it is about 8:45 now, and I have been feeling very sleepy this whole day. So I took a shower already and I'm winding down the night. I'm watching the most recent season of The Circle, and I'm at the last episode to figure out who's blocked and who wins. While that is happening, I also do want to post a food video for all you can eat at Ichiro that I edited I think on Monday, but I was supposed to have uploaded it last night, but I forgot to have done that. Hello all, it is Thursday. I want to get some of my project editing done since I feel like I did really well with completing my vlog and also my own short content. So I want to focus on the project this morning, and then at 1:30 I have a Teams meeting with one of the managers. So wish me luck for that. I'll keep you posted on how that goes. Hi Tigger, come here. After that interview though, I probably do have one more interview with the other manager who's out of the office for this week. So I don't think that I'll hear about any offers again this week. After the interview, I am planning on doing my Salesforce test within either next week or the week after that. So I think that will give me enough time to, complete the interviews, complete, if I do get the offer, the onboarding and all that stuff, and still give myself some time to do a little bit more about my own stuff before actually diving into the job. For my brunch, I just have yogurt. We picked this up in K-Town yesterday. Hey y'all, so it is 1:15 now, and I have just about 15 minutes or so before I have to go into my interview. Oh my gosh, my hair is looking a little cray-cray. I don't know why, I'm a little nervous. I feel a little off today. Yeah, I'm a little nervous even though I have done that job before and I know what I'm doing. So I did changed it to kind of like a professional top. I have lippy on to look a little bit more put together. Wish me luck. I will definitely check in to tell you all how it went. 2:10 now, and my interview just ended with one of the managers. I definitely made sure to express my interest because I want to get the ball rolling with all this. They did relay that there would be next steps into meeting the other manager who's out of the office, and I think there's one other person I have to meet who is the program manager for the team. So I think I probably have 2 more interviews to go at this point, but just really want to let them know that, like, I'm trying to get a job. I am gonna pause on my editing for my project and go into Salesforce now. I believe I got a 73. I felt like there were so many repeat questions that I thought I knew. Although there are some that I was like, wait, I've never seen this before. Why did I? Yeah, I should have just locked it. That was an easy one. Yeah, that was an easy one. Oh, because I put dashboard filter instead of dashboard running user. Okay. I see where my little errors are. Anyways, I'm going to create the study guide for this. And then it's only like 3:05 right now. So I want to do another test before getting onto Salesforce on my computer. Much better, only 5 wrong, even though I feel like there are some that I kind of knew. Annotate these notes tomorrow because it's 4 o'clock now and I want to get to more of the Salesforce training on the desktop. Hello all. I wanted to put it at a lower angle so you can see what I'm eating. I have demba again, and this is the last night that we'll be eating this. Really haven't been doing too much. I did a lot more Salesforce today, but it was more like question-based Salesforce, and then I got stuck in like one of the Service Cloud modules. I finished doing the task, but then when I went down, it said that I was missing some stuff. So I had to go back into all the instructions. I wasn't really comprehending what I was missing, even though they blatantly told me what I was missing. So I got a little frustrated, and that took a longer time than I thought. So I actually... Yeah, so I actually spilled my soup. So I had to do cleanup for that, and I'm so sad because half of my soup is gone. But anywho's, I'm gonna eat my dinner. Hello all, happy Friday. It is about 1:30 now, and I didn't do my morning check-in. I have been feeling really drained and sleepy, and I think it's because it's really humid outside, and I think the heat is just making me lethargic. At 2 o'clock, I do have my first consulting session. I guess in this downtime, I was thinking of probably doing a little bit more of editing on my project and I'll let you guys know how it goes and my, I guess, like my mental health journey with that. But I was speaking to a friend last night and really putting my perspective into my life about a lot of things, and I feel a lot better today for sure. Hello all, so it's about 2:40 now, and I just finished my first counseling with my repeated therapist. I guess in the first one I was just like relaying a lot of things that are happening in my life right now. So for next session, I did mention that I wanted to work on my emotions a little bit more, and I guess overall for therapy, I wanted to work on my anxiety and my emotions and how to acknowledge it without letting it take over. And I guess also just being like more mindful and more grounded. Although I do meditate, I do feel like there are certain times where I, let loose. And so that is something that she mentioned we'd work on in 2 weeks' time. I do think that a lot of us are probably going through a lot of different things, and if you have the resources or there are resources provided to you, I think definitely explore them and take advantage of it. Hello all, it is about 5 o'clock right now and I really didn't do much. I was annotating and I don't know why it took so long. I was also helping my mom with some stuff, but I really have just been like dilly-dallying and procrastinating. I made myself a little drinky drink to awaken myself a little bit, and I think instead of going on to do the modules today, I think I want to do definitely more of the practice questions. That's right. Only 4 wrong. That's what I like to see. So 2 of them that I got wrong is actually like a boo-boo on my end. I think I do know it, but for some reason I didn't read the question properly. Okay. I got 4 wrong again, but that's fine. Oh my gosh, it's this one again. It was lookup relationship. I gotta remember what user profiles are controlled by. This one I also need to remember. I forgot what setup audit trails do. I am gonna relax now. It's 5:30. I've just been sleepy the whole day, so I'm just gonna take a break now. Hello all, it is 8 o'clock now and I have my dinner. My mom made us stir-fried noodles and she made me the best fried eggs. It's like golden and runny and it's just beautiful. It also was just like thunderstorming a few minutes ago, but now it's like this yellow sunsetty hue, which I really like. It's so like comforting and warming. Hopefully my fan is not like blasting into the microphone, but anywho's, I have to head out at 1 for my performance, and then my performance isn't actually until 5, but you know, they want us to like practice, there's tech, and then, yes Tigger, where do you want to go? And then after that, I'll just probably be coming back home because it's gonna be quite late. But yeah, happy Saturday. Y'all, it is 12:15 and I already have my makeup and stuff on, but the event today has been canceled because they're anticipating a lot of rain later, which kind of sucks because I already have my makeup on. And I had a feeling like when I woke up, I was like, yo, like so I was like thunderstorm and all that, so I was like, I have a feeling that it might not be going down, but no one has said anything, and it's like bright and sunny right now. So I was like, you know what? Maybe it's still happening and stuff. So yeah, it's been canceled. I don't want my makeup to go to a waste, but I don't have anything to film today. I might have a few empties actually. There's a few that's like coming to its tail end, so I might just film those so that my makeup is worth it. It's okay. I'm gonna make my face worth it today. But with that being said, my day has kind of freed up. Hey y'all, it is 3:15 now and I've already eaten my lunchy brunch and did my laundry. It is pouring again outside. Not that I was gonna go out anyways, but it's a pretty gloomy day again. I thought maybe I would go on to Genshin and really catch myself up with everything just because there's only a day or two left to get Navia and I don't have enough Prima Gems. I don't really want to miss the chance because I don't know when she's going to come back. So I think I'm just going to play Genshin